Hi guys. Oh, sugar.
Guys, I hate it.
I've never done one of these before, but I've seen loads of them on YouTube, so I thought they were really good, so I'm gonna give it a go. We've
Introduce yourself.
I'm Amy,
Also known as Ames.
yeah, and this is my husband Dave. You can't see him, but
Hi.
We've just been to a street food fair where we live, and just got a few bits from some of the different stalls. So we've got this burger from, what were they called? Paternoster Farm, and then we've got these loaded fries from a Portuguese man, Pregos, they're called.
Pregos.
And then we've got some ratatouille and what was this called?
I can't remember what it was called. It's some sort of potato.
Like a potato thing from a French stall.
Yeah.
Do you remember the name?
I don't remember the name of the stall, to be honest with you. But...
And then we've also got a brownie for dessert from what was it called?
I don't know the names of any of these stalls. Sorry. I was.
When I put it on, I will put the names of the places. So we've got that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut the burger, because I always cut my burgers. I know it's some people think that's weird, but
like me.
yeah, but we shall see. Oh, the top's falling off. So looks nice. It's got tomato, a couple of pickles, and some jalapeno jam, I think.
Different.
And looks tasty. And Dave's already scoffing. These are delicious, these loaded fries. They've got like bacon bits, jalapenos, some like mayo, but it's like orangey.
Portuguese mayo.
It's Portuguese mayo, but they're delicious. I love the bacon bits.
Yeah. There's obviously lots of melted cheese in there as well. So it tastes a bit like jack cheese, I think, doesn't it?
That's so good. I'm going to pass you half this burger now.
Easy does it. There it goes all over the place.
So I'm going to taste the bit. I'm terrible though. I won't eat tomato. So that will go for Dave. And
Dave's her husband, by the way.
and also pickles. Just deconstructing a burger.
Not a fan of pickled gherkins either, are you?
No.
Although I think these are yummy. These are delicious.
They?
Yes.
Dave says they're delicious. So.
Lovely. Don't know what they've been stored in, but it's a lovely sweet taste to it.
So I will pick up the burger. I normally cut it with a knife and fork, but I'll try and. That's really good. You can taste the jalapeno, can't you? It's a bit of a kick.
Oh, it's a bit of sting to it. Nice.
It's really yummy though. So my drink.
So the burger so far so good.
That's really good.
It's proper farmhouse cheddar, I think it's cheese, isn't it?
So the event was really good, wasn't it? It's like the atmosphere was really good. There was like music and
yeah, lots of Aretha Franklin tunes playing, because sadly she recently passed away. But nice feel good vibe with the music.
Yeah. And it's like an awards thing, so you
vote.
can vote for what you liked best. So
our votes went to our votes went to a toasted cheese sandwich place that Ames got a croque monsieur from.
But it's Mr. Crockridge. It was really good yesterday. Me and my mum had a glamour. It was like a toasted cheese. It was called the Glamorgan. It had leeks in it and bechamel sauce and other cheese, and it was really crispy and delish.
Leeks, you can't get more Welsh than that, can you? The location of Fool's Pair, for anyone who's watching, is in on the harbour in Milford Haven in West Wales, a lovely waterfront town. Very much recommended you come down and visit. It's a beautiful town.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try some of this potato thing.
I'll see if I can find out what that was called.
See what it is. Should have taken better notes.
Well,
but it's got like I think it's got like bacon in it.
yeah,
Potato.
Some sort of cheese, French cheese, is it?
I don't know, like a white sauce kind of thing. It smells delicious. And then this is ratatouille.
The old classic.
Save some of this for my mum, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Even though she actually made her own ratatouille today, so she'll probably be all ratatouille'd out. Look at these, I love these fries.
Yeah. Loaded indeed.
Huh?
Loaded indeed.
I can't eat the jalapenos though, because my mouth is just sensitive. Dave just eats all the jalapenos. Right, I'm gonna try this. Have you tried any of this yet? No.
Not yet.
Hi guys, we found out the name of that French potato thing. It was tarteflette.
Yeah, very nice it was too.
Really tasty. But I think my favourite thing so far is the fries.
Fries.
It's really good.
But the tarteflette came from a stall called the Rue De La Cocotte, by a French couple who'd come, I think possibly come all the way from the Dordogne.
Really?
But from what they told me, they'd stopped up in Cardiff, which incidentally is my place of birth, about 200 miles away from where we live, and they'd stopped their van up and they were doing a tour of South and West Wales and parts of the West Country in England as well.
All right.
So this, there we are. A closer look if you can see.
Really good. It's like potatoes and bacon and white sauce and some. I think there's parsley on top.
Parsley, yeah, which is my favourite. I don't think Ames is quite as fussed on it as me.
Don't mind it, but
yeah, but it makes a very nice garnish. And as you saw earlier, I can't beat these loaded fries. So
good. Just because my video keeps cutting out, I'm just going to try this brownie.
From Chockshop.
Yeah, from was it Chockshop?
Chockshop.
Let me see. And salted caramel with chocolate sauce and cream. It's really delicious. I'll try that. Hi guys, just wanted to say thanks for watching. It's been a tiny bit of a fail because my phone kept cutting off. But hope you've enjoyed this video and see you again soon.